Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Mia. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm very good. It is a nice day today.
Yes, the sun is shining. I love sunny days.
Me too. What do you do today?
Not much. I stayed home in the morning. And you?
I go to the supermarket with my mom. Then I come here. Tom, do you have time now?
Yes, I have time. Why?
I have something for you. Look at this.
Oh, what is it? A picture?
Yes, it is a picture. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it very much. It is a happy picture. How about you?
I love it. It makes me smile.
Me too. It is very colorful.
Yes, I see many colors: red, blue, yellow, green.
And white. The clouds are white.
Good eye, Tom. The clouds are big and white.
Mia, who is in the picture?
I see a boy. He is young, maybe 8 or 9 years old.
Yes, he is a young boy. He has brown hair.
His hair is funny. It is very big.
Yes, it is messy hair. I like it.
He wears a red and white shirt.
Yes, a striped shirt and blue pants.
He looks like a happy boy.
I think he is very happy today. He is outside and the weather is good.
I want to be happy like him.
Me too.
Tom, look at the kite.
Oh, yes, the kite is very big.
It is beautiful. What colors do you see?
I see red, blue, yellow, and green.
Yes, 4 colors. It is a very colorful kite.
The boy holds the kite string. Look, the string is long.
Yes, very long. The kite is high in the sky.
I think the wind is strong today. You need wind to fly a kite.
Do you know how to fly a kite, Tom?
Yes, I flew a kite one time. It was fun. Do you know how?
No, I don't. I want to learn.
It is not difficult. First, you run fast. Then the kite goes up.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, but sometimes the kite falls down. Then you run again.
That is funny. I want to try.
We can try on Saturday. I said that before. Let's go to the park.
Yes, great idea. We need a kite first.
We can buy one. They are not expensive.
Good, let's do it. Tom, look at the dog.
Oh, the dog is so cute. I love it.
It is small and brown.
Yes, it has a red collar.
The dog is running. It is very fast.
I think the dog is happy too. Look at its face.
Yes, it has a big smile. Can dogs smile?
I think yes. My dog smiles sometimes.
Do you have a dog, Tom?
Yes, his name is Max. He is black and white.
Oh, how old is Max?
He is 3 years old. He is small like this dog.
Is he friendly?
Very friendly. He loves people. He loves to play.
I want to meet Max.
You can come to my house. Max will like you.
Great. Maybe after the park on Saturday.
Perfect. And you? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna, that is a beautiful name.
Thank you. She is gray and white. She is very quiet.
Cats are quiet. Dogs are loud.
Yes, Max is loud.
Sometimes, when he's excited, he barks a lot.
Luna never barks. She just sleeps.
Haha, lazy cat.
Very lazy, but I love her.
Mia, look up at the tree.
Oh, I see birds. Many birds.
Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds.
Yes, 4 birds. They sit on the branch.
They are so colorful. I see a blue one and red ones.
I think the blue bird is a bluebird.
Yes, and the red and orange ones, maybe they are robins?
Maybe. I don't know many birds. Do you?
A little. I like birds. I have a book about birds at home.
Really? That is interesting.
Yes, birds are beautiful. I love to watch them.
Do you have birds near your house?
Yes, in the morning I hear many birds. It is a nice sound.
I hear birds too in the morning. It is relaxing.
Birds make me feel calm and happy.
Me too. I think the birds in the picture are happy. They watch the boy and his kite.
Yes, they think the kite is strange.
What is that big, colorful thing in the sky? Say the birds.
Poor birds, they are confused.
Oh, Tom, I see a butterfly.
Where? Oh, yes, near the dog.
It is small and blue, very pretty.
The dog can see the butterfly. Look at the dog's face.
Yes, the dog wants to catch it.
But the butterfly is fast. The dog cannot catch it.
Run, butterfly, run.
The butterfly is safe. Don't worry.
I love butterflies. They are so beautiful.
Me too. In summer, I see many butterflies in the garden.
What colors?
Yellow, orange, white, many colors. It is wonderful.
I want a garden one day with flowers and butterflies.
That sounds lovely. I want that too.
Tom, look at the flowers.
Oh, yes. I see yellow flowers and purple flowers.
And white flowers too, on the right side.
Yes, so many flowers. The field is very pretty.
I love yellow flowers. What is your favorite flower?
I love roses, red roses. They are beautiful.
Yes, roses are classic. My mom loves roses too.
Does she have roses in her garden?
Yes, she has pink roses and white roses.
Beautiful. My grandmother has a big garden. She has roses, tulips, and sunflowers.
Sunflowers are so big and happy.
Yes, they always face the sun. I like that.
Like this picture, everything faces the sun and is happy.
That is a beautiful thing to say, Mia.
Thank you. I don't know where that came from.
Mia, look at the grass. It is very green.
Yes, very green. And the field is big.
I see a small path in the field, a dirt path.
Oh yes, a brown path in the green grass. Nice.
And there are trees in the background, many green trees.
The trees are tall and the leaves are green.
Summer trees, I think.
Yes, this picture is summer. Everything is green and bright.
I love summer. Do you love summer, Mia?
Yes, summer is my favorite season. And yours?
I like summer too, but I also like spring. The flowers come back in spring.
That is true. Spring is also beautiful.
In this picture, maybe it is late spring or early summer.
Yes, I think so. Not too hot. Perfect weather. Tom, do you see the house?
Where? Oh, very far away. It is small.
Yes, it is far, but I can see it. It is white, I think.
Yes, white. And there are more trees near it.
It looks like a farm, maybe, or a house in the countryside.
I think so too. It is not a city. There are no big buildings.
I like the countryside. It is quiet and peaceful.
Me too. The city is loud and busy. The countryside is calm.
I want to live in the countryside one day with a garden and a dog.
And a cat.
Yes, and a cat. Luna can come too.
And Max. They can be friends.
Can cats and dogs be friends?
Yes, some cats and dogs are best friends.
Really? Luna is scared of dogs. She hides.
Haha, poor Luna. Maybe she can meet Max slowly, step by step.
Good idea. Baby steps.
Mia, what do you think about the sky?
The sky is beautiful. It is bright blue.
And the clouds are big and white and fluffy.
Yes, like cotton. Big cotton clouds.
Haha, cotton clouds. I like that.
The sun is shining. I can feel it in the picture.
Yes, it is a warm, sunny day, perfect for flying a kite.
Perfect for everything. Kites, dogs, birds, flowers.
Perfect for friends, too.
Yes, This is a picture of a perfect day. Tom, how does this picture make you feel?
Happy, very happy, and calm.
Me too. I feel relaxed when I look at it.
It is a peaceful picture. No problems, no stress.
Just a boy, a dog, a kite, and a beautiful day.
Simple and beautiful. I like simple things.
Me too. Sometimes simple is the best.
This picture is like a dream. Everything is perfect.
I want to go inside the picture.
Haha, me too. Let's jump in
We can fly the kite together
and play with the dog
and watch the birds
and look at the flowers.
and eat lunch near the trees.
Oh, now I am hungry.
Me too. The picture makes me hungry now.
Let's get lunch after this.
Great idea. But first, Saturday, the park, the kite.
Yes, Saturday, the park, the kite, and Max.
And maybe Luna. No, Luna stays home.
Haha, yes, Luna stays home. She can sleep.
Her favorite activity.
This was a really fun conversation, Mia.
Yes, I enjoyed it very much. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, too. See you Saturday.
See you Saturday. And let's get lunch now. I'm really hungry.
Let's go. Bye for now.
Bye.